Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Google Translate offline, follow these step-by-step instructions to translate without internet access. Step 1. Download the Google Translate app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you don't have it installed on your device. Step 2. Open the Google Translate app and sign in with your Google account for sync and backup features. Step 3. Tap on the language drop-down at the top of the screen to select which languages you want to download. Step 4. Tap on the download icon next to the language name to download the offline translation pack for that language. Step 5. Wait for the download to complete, which may take a few minutes depending on the language file size and your internet speed. Step 6. Repeat the process for any additional languages you want to use offline during your travels. Step 7. Once downloaded, you can use the app without an internet connection by simply typing or speaking the text you want to translate. Step 8. To manage your offline languages, go to Settings, then Offline Translation, where you can delete or update language packs as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.